head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet across the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lights be on the horizon? Let's go find out.
Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So for today's video, I thought it would be super neat for me to share with you guys some items that you can find at Hobby Lobby to decorate your events. And the first thing is this beaded charger. I do love the fact that it is in acrylic. They sell them in acrylic also at eFavorMart, but sometimes you may be in a crunch for your wedding or your event and you need these exact ones. So Hobby Lobby would definitely be a place to go. They also have the ones with the gold rim on them, so that would be cute as well. They're $2.99. Unfortunately, we can't use our 40% off coupon, but again, those would be some nice items that you could use to decorate, maybe, you know, in your home, or if you run into a situation where you're in a crunch for an event, you could definitely make a mad dash to Hobby Lobby to pick those up. However, if you need a large quantity of those, then Hobby Lobby is not the best buy. You would definitely need to check out maybe eFavorMart, and I will leave that link down in the description box below. Next up are these amazingly beautiful hydrangeas. They look so real. These are from the Fresh Pick line at Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love these. They feel almost real to touch. I like to buy them when they're 50% off, so they'll be like $5 per bunch instead of $9.99. So I love them, and you guys can see here, I like to mix them with fresh florals as well. The only way you can really tell the real ones from the faux ones is that the actual real ones are not as white, but I've mixed a lot of real and fake flowers together to save on cost for my wedding. So that's another tip that you guys see here. Next up, it's like the floral stems and bushes and things like that. I love to shop the week that they're 50% off. These can be used on backdrops. These can be used as runners. Like, they have an array of beautiful greenery. Just try to stick to the ones that look true to life, like the really darker green colors and not as plasticky. This is actually real greenery, but I have some faux greenery that looks just as good as this. So just keep that in mind when you are looking at like the garlands and things like that at Hobby Lobby. They can be really used to dress up a backdrop. Next up is the acrylic signs. Like, you can get these for $19.99, and when the wedding things are 50% off, they're like $9.99 and less, or less. So definitely check out all of the new acrylic signs. Like, you can put your little hashtag on that one, and it's $12.99, and then when it's 50% off, it'll be around $7.49 or so, or $6.49. So I thought that was really cute. This card box is really cute. I don't know if that's the best deal, because you could probably buy one from Amazon and use a Cricut or something to make it. And then I thought this blow bubbles of good wishes for the Mr. and Mrs. Sign was cute. And then they also have acrylic sheet where you could make your own. And if you have a Cricut, you could definitely do that project. Here is an example of how we use one at a wedding that I did last year to do sanitation station. So it turned out super cute. And when you're using the acrylic and your Cricut, you can kind of break things off, you know, as you need to. Another thing is, this doesn't really have anything to do with things you can use for a wedding or event, but one of the things, since Hobby Lobby is no longer doing the 40% off coupon, I'm seeing that they're putting like everything in the store on sale. I've never seen the regular gift wrap 50% off, and I've been a Hobby Lobbyer for forever. So that's one good benefit of not having the coupon. Next up are these beautiful table scarves, and we've seen these like everywhere, especially on the rustic tables. They have all colors in the spring section at Hobby Lobby. These are great for tablescapes at home or for your events. And then this hat box I think is really incredible. It is only $9.99 and it's also included in the spring for 40% off, but you could actually use it for a cake stand. So that's another great use for that as well. Another item at Hobby Lobby that I love is their specialty seating. A lot of times people overlook this, but this blush chair is so cute, and it would be perfect for like a baby shower or drive-by shower or some type of reveal or bridal shower or photo shoot. And the little kitty chairs would be cute for a birthday party or pictures or anything like that. They also have really cute napkin rings in the spring section, with it being 40% off. It's currently $179. So these are great for like your head tables or your bride and groom table, or if you're decorating at home. I love this shell looking shape one. It's $3.99, and so it would be, you know, around $2 something each. So I thought that was really super duper cute. Just be sure to check the sale sign, because a lot of times they already have that kind of figured out for you if you're not really good with doing math. And then they had this really cute linen or palm spring name place card holder. This can also be great for like a buffet or an escort card table or a table number holder. That's an array of good things, you know, you could use this for. I love the spring section and the winter section. You can get a lot of great things for entertaining and event planning in there, like this Montessori leaf placemat. Those are really cute as well. And then these little goblets are really cute. So I love, you know, just all kinds of things that you can pick up throughout the store in order to kind of decorate your wedding or event in a different way. Last but certainly not least, I know you guys remember these incredible boxes that I used at an event. I'll share that event with you guys, but now they are at Hobby Lobby in the items labeled Spring Shop. I did this event several years ago, and I had the boxes stained. I actually got those from Joann's. I have not seen them at Joann's since then. But if you're looking for some, you can definitely find them at Hobby Lobby and stain them. And the bling in the center came from TotallyDazzled.com. And I just put a regular mirror on the top to create like a rustic feel, to bring in that rustic from the door that you see behind this box. I just brought in that. I had it actually stained the exact same color to match those doors. So that's just a tip or an idea that you can use when you're decorating for your events as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing, you know, how you can find the items that you see me use in my decorating at a store near you or a website near you as you're sourcing, you know, your inventory and building your inventory in your business. If you guys would like for me to go to another store and show you guys examples of how that can be used, definitely leave me a comment down in the description box below. I would also love to invite you to become a part of the Lux for Less family. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button and you will be an instant member. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!